Hello guys, Shafkat here. Welcome to my channel, and today we will unbox a mouse and a keyboard combo. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So this one is the one keyboard and mouse combo that I'm gonna unbox today. So let's get started. Let's unbox it. So here you can see, so satisfying. So this is the one that I'm gonna unbox today. So as you can see here, this is the Flipkart Smartbuy. So the reason I bought it because it was under 1000 rupees, and this is the first time I'm gonna use something which is made by Flipkart. So let's crack the seal. And now that we have opened it, right, so some user guide and some thank you sticker from Flipkart. Let's take it aside. And now, so this is the keyboard, and so this is the keyboard. It's a nice keyboard. It's not too small and not too big, so it's a medium size. So another one is the mouse. So this is a mouse. It's a compact mouse. I like it. So mostly it's plastic, and it's on 1.5 volt battery, so that will come in handy. And this one also. So the another reason why I bought this, because I don't have many ports on my laptop, and from a single port I can connect both my mouse and keyboard. So that's why I bought this. So I will review it after some time, so stay tuned on this channel. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, do a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to say something, say in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Peace.